Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a quick and easy recipe for Guyanese style pumpkin and shrimp. Y'all know I like to prep my stuff, so I already chopped my pumpkin and I went ahead and seasoned the shrimp, which I'll show you guys how I did that in just a minute. I have some sweet onions. I'll be using scallions, cilantro, parsley. I have some garlic, hot chilies. For the seasonings, I have seasoned salt, bouillon, complete seasoning, some cumin, black pepper, and some brown sugar. So what I did was washed my shrimp with some lemon juice, and then I seasoned it with a little bit of Old Bay, black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of green seasoning. When I'm cooking seafood, I rarely over season it. I don't like to do too much because it can become salty and you don't want that. So I like to keep it super simple by just adding a little bit of Old Bay or seafood seasoning, black pepper, and that's it. Garlic, onion powder, yeah, you can add that as well. But the reason I'm not adding that is because I added the green seasoning and that has all the herbs, garlic, onions, and all that stuff blended up in there. So it's perfect. Now, once I was done, I just cover this up and allow it to sit and marinate for about 1 hour. Next, we'll add our shrimp to a preheated skillet with some oil, and we will cook the shrimp for about 3 to 4 minutes. Because the shrimp are small, they don't take a long time to cook. So we'll cook them for about, let's say, 3 to 4 minutes. Then we'll remove them and set them aside. In the same pot, we'll go in with our aromatics and the herbs, give it a good mix, and we'll allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, if you want to use tomatoes in here, you sure can. I have never cooked my pumpkin with tomatoes. I don't like it in pumpkin, so I don't add it. But if you like to add that in your pumpkin, feel free to go ahead. Next, we will add our pumpkin in here, and then we'll add the seasonings along with our sugar. Now, if you don't want sugar in your pumpkin, don't add it. I like to add a tad bit of sugar in mine, so that's what I'm doing. We'll give this a good mix. We'll cover and allow this to cook until the pumpkin is nice and tender. Now you want to go in occasionally and give this a stir just to make sure that everything is cooking evenly. Now what I notice is that this pumpkin is a little bit on the dry side. So what you want to do is add a little bit of water to help with the cooking process. You know, there's different types of pumpkins. Some are very watery and some are dry. So if you have a dry pumpkin, you want to help it out a bit by adding a little bit of water there, just so that the pumpkin can cook without burning and it can soften up. Once we're done, we'll cover it and allow it to continue cooking. And you want to cook your pumpkin to your own liking. If you like it chunky, do it the way that you like. I like mine when it's kind of mushy. I like most of the pumpkin to be mashed. So this is perfect for me. Some of it will still be chunky, but most of it will be nice and mushy and mashed. That's how I like mine. So you want to add your shrimp now towards the end. Give it a good mix. Let it go for about a minute, and that's it. Our pumpkin and shrimp is all done. Now we will turn the heat off and get ready to plate up. So if you're Guyanese, you already know that we walk in this with some hot oil roti, right? Because I feel like that's the only way. If you're eating pumpkin and shrimp, it only goes with roti. Now, if you're eating pumpkin with chicken, now that can go with rice. This was absolutely amazing. I truly enjoyed it, and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button for me. Don't just watch the video and not like it. Come on, man. Give it a like for me. And don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know that you're here so I can welcome you. And enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video.